You gonna help Grandpa?
No.
No.
Nope, how come nope?
You're gonna just do the cutting? Okay, Grandpa goes side to side now.
Turn it, okay? Now.
Oh, Mommy.
Where's
Your mommy's inside cleaning. What are you doing?
Does Mommy know what you're doing?
Yeah.
Does she know you're making cookies?
Yeah.
Wow, this is fun.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think it's time for Orion to pick out a cookie cutter.
This one.
Wait a minute.
That's good enough, Stan. These are too thin. Those are fine.
Yeah.
Okay, what's that one? A tree.
Can you figure it out? A tree right there.
Should I put the tree here?
Yeah.
Oh, that's our thick one.
It's okay.
Okay.
What do you want to do next?
I'm making your stuff. Snowman.
Whoops. I don't think that went all the way through, and you put it the wrong. Wait.
Grandpa's going to just put it back in the right spot for you. Let's see, so we can get it out. No, it's not, I don't think you're going to be able to get it
It's
back.
not going to work. It's double.
Yeah.
It's,
All right, go ahead.
no.
Roll it. Go do it again.
We'll do the whole thing.